Hey y'all, happy Wednesday or happy hump day. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I hope that everyone has plans to spend an amazing Thanksgiving day surrounded by those that they love and some amazing food. I just wanted to do a really quick Etsy haul. I thought this was going to be my very last Etsy order that I had made, but I got an email this morning from one of the shops saying that I have an order that's going to ship out next week on the 27th. And then that will be my very last Etsy haul for a while. I'm sure through the end of the year, because between the amount of money that I have spent at Michael's recently, plus the shameless amount of money that I have spent at Etsy or shopping on Etsy, with Christmas coming on, I have got to slow down. No, I have to stop. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got, and I'm very excited. The first thing I have, let me take them out of the bag. Most of them I already have removed from the bags. And again, I will link these shops in the description box down below. Let's see. First is the shop is called Plan to Plan Sticker Company. And I will put a link to the shop in the description box. And this is the little freebie. And look, it's such cute little Thanksgiving freebies. But Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and I've already set my planner up this week. And I don't have room for these cute little icons. So I'm just going to put them up, and I will save them for next year. And what I purchased were these little The Walking Dead stickers, because I am totally a fan girl, completely obsessed with The Walking Dead. And I've been using the little TV icons recently to put in my planner. Of course, you don't have to remind me that on Sunday night at 9 o'clock, I have to be in front of my TV. But tomorrow, I won't really be able to use these because this Sunday is the last episode. It's kind of like what they call the mid-season break. So we have this Sunday an episode, and then it's going to take a break and won't be back on until February. So I'll have to put these up and mark these, obviously, when it comes back on in February. Of course, I may use one for this Sunday. No, I think in my planner I already have set up for this week, so I have a little TV icon. But so these will go up and save for February. And speaking of The Walking Dead, and again, I will have to save these for February. I was going to try to find the little shop. Here we go. And this little shop is called Pretty Sheepy. That's a sheep, like a little baby sheep. And then these are her little freebies, the little epic fail Santa Claus, and the little Star Wars Stormtrooper ugly Christmas sweater. That's so cute. So I love these. They're adorable. So this is Pretty Sheepy, and I will put a link to that shop in the description box below. And this is so exciting, but I'm going to have to wait until February to do this when the show comes back on. But I have a kit of The Walking Dead. And there's my little Daryl Dixon and Rick Grimes, and Carol, Michonne, Carl, and Negan. And I'm assuming this is Glenn, because I can't really think of anybody else that would be. It has to be Glenn. So that's our full boxes. And then we have these little check boxes with the characters kind of behind them, like a little shadow of them, and then the little flags. And then this sheet right here has all the little characters different sizes of them. Just a little sticker. And then there is the date covers. And then these little headers. Some little half boxes and to-dos, little things, and some little flags, your weekend banner, and some little functional icons. And then we have our washi, and then some just little blank headers. These are so cute. Like I said, I'm super obsessed with The Walking Dead. If you are too, let me know, because I definitely need a Walking Dead support group. When I worked on site at the hospital in Atlanta, there was a group of about 4 of us who were completely into The Walking Dead. And so every Monday, we would kind of have like a little debriefing, a little meeting where we would all get together and kind of process Sunday night's episode. And now that I work from home, I hear from them occasionally via text or email, but I'm in Florida and I don't really know anyone here yet. And so I definitely need a Walking Dead support group. Okay, and then my last kit, and this is horrible because it's so precious, but I'm gonna have to put it up and save it for May. So the little freebie, again, is the little Thanksgiving stickers. They're so cute, but I've already got my planner set up for this week, so I'm gonna put these up and save them for next year. And I'm trying to, oh, here it is. The sticker shop is called Plan Ahead Printables. And I will put a link to their shop in the description box below as well. And here we go. For May is going to be Star Wars. May the 4th be with you. And you have Luke Skywalker and Yoda, C-3PO, and R2-D2. So these are our full boxes. And then we have our date covers. So you can use this orange or you can use this purple. Either one is super cute. And the best thing about this, that they gave us 2 colors that happen to be orange and purple. I can use one of these for my May layout or my May spread, and I could just use it for the whole month. And the other one is also a Halloween color, so I can use those next year in October, because orange and purple are totally Halloween colors. And then here we have like some little washi strips, half boxes. There's our sweet Princess Leia, Chewie, we got Vader, the Millennium Falcon, the Death Star, and then here is our day covers, which happens to be like a washi strip. And then our functional icons, some little checkbox lists, to-dos, our little weekend banner. And then here is some flags. Don't forget, get it done. Some little I don't know, not icons, just little boxes you can mark something. I don't know, that's a gift. A little coffee mug, it looks like, and a little heart, little habit trackers, and then some today headers. But either way, they're so adorable. They are totes adorbs, I think. Anyway, I'm very excited, and I can't even stand the idea of waiting until May to use these. This may be one of those things that I may have to do a plan with me for the first week of May, early and just go ahead and decorate this ahead because I'm so excited about using these. And likewise, these Walking Dead, I'm gonna have to find out just when in February the show is coming back on and get a layout, a weekly spread put up with them. So this is my Etsy haul for this week, and like I said, I have one more order that's shipping out next week, yes, on the 27th, and I'll show you that, and then that'll be the end of my Etsy hauls for a while. So Plan to Plan Sticker Company, Pretty Sheepy, and Plan Ahead Printables. So be sure to check these Etsy shops out and let me know if you do a Walking Dead themed layout or a Star Wars layout for May as well. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day and an absolutely blessed Thanksgiving Day. Bye.